Today, let's see how to check changelogs. Changelogs is that information about, hey, I have this package, I modify, I create, I fixed something, and then let me add this in the changelog. And changelog, in the case of this video, will be RPM files. So let's go to the video and see how this works. Cool, we are here. This is a RHEL 9 box, and I would like to start just playing with the DNF file. So I have one version here of the DNF, which is 4.14.0-17. This is the version. This is the release. And there is one command that I can use just to check the changelogs whenever checking the new versions of that package. So for instance, DNF check -updates. DNF, this is the name of the package, just to match with this one, --changelogs. So let's see how this works. Then, okay, let's take a look on this. The version, as we saw, is 4.14.0. This is the version, same version as this one. This is the release, 17. This is the release 25. And in the release 25, I can see here, check this out, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18. So I have changelogs here for different versions or different releases. The version is still the same, 4.14.0 for all of them. My current one, again, is 17. If you see, is one release before this one. So this package was released, and then I install in this machine this package. There is a new package available, and I would like to see what changed in this new version. And by reference, the new version is this. And I know this is a little bit confused, but when I say version, we have version -release. So bear with me. When I say newer version, is newer version plus release, okay? So this release is 25, this release is 17. What is the difference? What is available in this new release that is not available in the release 17? And then we can start checking, like, let's take a look on this. In February 4th of 2025, add support for transient transaction. And there is this issue, this is a JIRA, and definitely you can go on and you can check this JIRA, you can check the content, but this is one change that was added on this specific release, 25. 24, we have this specific one, doesn't affect just file configuration or this specific flag. 23, updated, need reboot to match, needs restarting. And then another issue. Again, this issue has all the information, all the track. And here we can see the engineer who was responsible to be working with that specific change. And we can see like all of them. And eventually your question is, Wally, why I can't see all the versions or all the changes? Because I would like to see everything since the beginning, since the version 1 eventually, or the release 1. So how can I see this? Okay, let me show one thing first. We can access access.redhat.com. On top of this page, you can click on downloads. And over here, you can click on this link, RPM package search. We'll be asked to authenticate with your account. Feel free to log in with your account. Once we are at this page, let's search by DNF and check this out. This is the package, pack manager. Let's click on no arc. I would like to see the versions. And here in this drop-down menu, let me bump this a little bit. We can see all the versions. Let me resize this a little bit and play around here. Yeah, we can do that. So we have the version that is installed on this machine is 17. If we take a look here, 4.14.0-17. This is the version that we have available. Next version is 25. See, 4.14.0-25. And then we can see that we have older version, a previous version like 9, 8, 5, 4, and we'll be up to 5 here on 14. So how can I see those information? Is there a way? Yeah, via DNF, we are just checking the newer version or this specific version. But let me show you this. I'm gonna play on this terminal below. Okay, and how to query all the information. So there are two ways basically. One is to check the package that we have already. So let me get this one again. We have this version 17. And then I can see all the version that we have in this specific package that is installed and see some information, previous information or previous change logs. So RPM -Q -- I don't know, I don't remember the flag. So definitely we can do a man RPM change log. So yeah, I'm confident that change log in singular is the flag. So change log DNF. This is the command. And check this out. We have all the versions up to 4.12.0. And eventually, if I scroll down, we have older version here, but this is for rel 7, rel 8. For this is 4.12.04. This is for rel 9. So I have this information starting on this version over here. And then 4.14.01, 4.14.02. Yeah, all those versions. See? Starting on 4.12, 4.14, 0, 1, 0, 2, and go on. And we have the whole history. We don't have this information over here. This is 4.14.18, 4.14.18. See? And why I don't have this one? Because this is getting the information from this specific package 25. We don't have this package yet in this machine. And when I'm doing this query over here, I'm querying the package that we have already in the system, which is 17. So if you see the top of this, 4.14.0.17, this is the latest changelog available because this is the current version of this package on this machine. So this is one way I can check my local and installed package. Another way is DNF, download DNF. This is weird because we're saying, hey, DNF, download yourself. And then we can see the package here is DNF 4.14.0.25. So let's take a look on this now. I have my query using RPM, query changelog, but instead of DNF, let me pass a package, and then I'm gonna pass the local file. I'm gonna pass less, and look at that. This package is version or release 25. So 4.14.0.25, 24, 23, 22, and we know that the previous one was 17. This is the version. And if we keep scrolling down, 4.14.05, 06, 07, most of the versions that we have here. See? So yes, this is one way that you can check easily what changed in your changelogs. You can check via DNF, or you can check in one specific package. You can download the version of the package if you like to get the latest version, or if you like to check the version that you have already, you can. And this is pretty useful. Eventually, you're looking for some specific change. You have no idea, and maybe the information will be here, like this fixed Japanese translation. If I'm facing some problems with Japanese translation and I see something like this, okay, this is a clue that I can double check this issue and I can see if this is related to the issue I'm facing. Okay, bonus time. Let me show you one more thing. This was very specific for DNF. And then we run DNF check updates. Let me check for some updates. I'm looking for the package DNF, and I would like to see the change logs. I'm gonna close this one out, and this is just related to DNF. What if I would like to see for the whole package, the whole new set of packets? Can I just remove this one here? Definitely you can. So some obsoleting packets at the bottom, and here you can see, let me scroll to the top. We have too much information now. Okay, we are here. This is checking all the newer version or all the packets that we have available newer versions. And then Network Manager is one of them. Audit is one of them. All these lists here, including DNF. We are playing with DNF. See, this is the latest version, 25. The current one is 17. If we scroll down, the first one is Network Manager TUI, and then we can see the changelogs for this specific package. This is the set. And then once again, the version is 152.0-4, 152.0-4, 152.0-3, 52.0-2, 152.0-1. And for each of them, we can see some information like what was updated and the professional that was responsible for that change. This is for that package, Python 3 audit, same idea. We have this set of information. Changelogs for of select, we have this change, and then we have the time frame as well. Bin utils, same idea. So you got the point here. This is definitely nice if you like to see some changelog, if you like to see some change in one specific package or in a set of packages, or if you are looking for one specific person, like let's say that I would like to see all the changes made by Nick Clifton on the package that I have on my rel. Definitely you can use this way just to play around and poke and see the information. The information is there. It is just a matter of query. All right. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, smash the like button, hit the bell, allow notification. Feel free also to join us in our Discord channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.